Hello, good morning students. Today we will take one more problem here from the roadwork estimation. That is, it has been in the year question paper July 2018. Estimate the quantities of the earthwork from the chain is 70 to 76 measured with a standard 20-meter chain from the following data. Use mean section method. The side slope is 1:1 in cutting and 2:1 in banking. Chainage is from 70 to 76 and the Euler formation is 88.5 and it is a rising gradient of 1 in 100, and the formation width of road is 10 meter and they have told you to draw the longitudinal section of the proposed road. So the rising gradient is what? 1:100, so it is 1 by 100, and each chainage is having a 20-meter chain. Okay, so it is 1 by 100 into 20, so it is 0.2. So it is a rising gradient, so 0.2 meter will be goes on increasing from the chainage 70 to 76. So it is at 70 chainage 88.5, next it is 88.7 plus 0.2, it is 88.9, so that it will be 88.7 at the 76 chainage. So we'll draw a longitudinal section here. So this is the chainage 70 to 76. At 70 meter chainage, RL of the ground is 88.1. So draw a line with some scale 88.1, and at the same time your formation level is 88.5. So again draw the formation level mark here. Okay, so again at 71 chainage, the RL of the ground is 87.74. 71 chainage 87.74, little bit lesser than this. Okay, so at the same time draw the formation level, that is 88.7. okay, now at 72 the RL of the ground is 87.8. okay, little bit higher than this one. Okay, 87.8, and the RL of formation is 88.9. okay, now so draw all the RLs and RL of formation, join the RL of the ground here. So this is your RL of the ground here. Okay, and this is the RL of formation. So from this it has been observed that this much portion of the road has been banking. What is this? This is banking up to this. After this one, this much portion has to be cut, so that is earthwork in cutting. Okay, so find out the depth of the cutting or banking. So depth is equal to for RL of formation minus RL of the ground. The RL of formation is 88.5, RL of the ground is 88.1, so depth is 0.4. so likewise calculate for all those chainages. Okay, now and here the portion is changing from banking to cutting here. From the chainage 73 it is banking, at chainage 74 it is cutting. So here exactly the banking is going to be end or chainage cutting is going to be start. That will have to find out. So at 73 chainage the depth is 0.9. At 74 chainage the depth is 1.45. At x distance that chainage that intersects from that depth changes from banking to cutting, so that distance I have taken as x, and the distance between the 73 chainage and 74 chainage is 20 meter. So the remaining portion is 20 minus x. So we'll rationalize it. X by 0.9 equal to 20 minus x by 1.45. Cross multiplication, we will get x equal to 7.65. means from 73 chainage at a distance of 7.65 meter, the formation that banking is going to be cutting, means that formation level is going to changing here from banking to cutting at a distance of 7.65 meter. Okay, so now we are solving this problem by mean section method, and the S is given for cutting it is 1 and for banking it is 2. So we'll draw on table here. First is chain A 71, 72, 76 and the corresponding distances. At 70 chain is with the 20 meter tape chain, it is 1400 meter. Okay, so for 71 it is 1420. So for 72 it is 1440. Likewise, you write the distances here and the depths, and whatever the depth you are calculated from this here, so you also write here depths. Okay, so minus is showing that means this is cutting. So again I have inserted one more thing here, that is 1467.65, that is this distance. At this distance it is 7.65 from 73 Chinese, so I have added to the previous one, it is 1467.65. so at that point the depth is 0, at that point the depth is 0, correct? So after entering D, square it, D square, all those things you will get it, and area of the central rectangular area, okay, that is B into D. B is 10 meter, D is 0.4, it is 4. 10 into 9.6, 0.96 is 9.6. 10 into 1.1 it is 11. 10 into minus 1.45 it is minus 14.5. 10 into minus 0.7 it is minus 7. Okay, likewise you have calculated the central portion BD and the triangular portion SD square. For banking it is S equal to 2. So 2 into 0.16 it is 0.32, 2 into 0.92 it is 1.85, 2 into 1.21 it is 2.42, 2 into 0.81 it is 1.62, 2 into 0 it is 0. Again here the S is equal to 1 now, because this is cutting portion. So 1 into minus 2.1 it is minus 2.1, 1 into minus 0.49 minus 0.49, 1 into minus 0.076 it is minus 0.076. So this is triangular area. So total area equal to BD plus ST square. Add these two columns. Okay, so it is 4 plus 0.3 it is 4.32, 9.6 plus 1.84 it is 11.4, minus 14.5 minus 2.1 it is minus 16.6, minus 2.8 minus 0.07 it is minus 2.878. okay, this is the area. Now the mean section method is we are going to take the average of the area of the section. So it is section 1 plus section 2 divided by 2, section 2 plus section 3 divided by 2. So it is 4.32 divided plus 11.44 divided by 2, it is 7.88. 11.44 plus 13.42 divided by 2, it is 12.43. 13.42 plus 10.62 divided by 2, it is 12.02. 10.62 plus 0 divided by 2, it is 5.31 plus it is next 0 minus 16.6 divided by 2, it is minus 8.3, minus 16.6 minus 7.49 divided by 2, it is minus 12.045. okay, minus 7.49 minus 2.873 it is minus 5.184. so now you got the mean area. Now you multiply this with the length. Okay, distance between the two channels is 20 meter. Okay, 7.88 into 20 it is 157.6, 12.02 into 20 it is 240.4, 5.31 into here what we should multiply is the distance between the 73 channels and 0, this is 7.65. so 5.31 into 7.65 it is 40.62. next is 8 minus 8.3 into the remaining portion, 20 minus 7.65 it is around 12.35. it is minus 12.35 into 8.3 it is 102.5. next minus 12.045 into 20 it is 240.9, minus 5.184 into 20 it is 103.6. so add all the bankings and add all the cuttings. Okay, so earthwork in banking is 67.22, earthwork in for cutting it is 447.08 under Q. so this is the main section method.